Okay, let's get to the next step. Yes, step 3, merge the various bin file. So we remember we produce a bin file for font and a bin file for UI interface animation, for artistic characters and several images. And we need to combine these bins. We cannot burn a separate file. We need to combine it. You can see here that is all the, sorry, not this file, and this our project. You can see that is a seven bin file we created. We need to combine. Zip file, of course not. We need to use special software for that. And we have that kind of software, and it is called WinHex. Okay, and you will scroll down, there is a WinHex. We open that, and it is look complicated, but actually it is not. We just use it for a very simple function. And we use a tool and a file tool and concatenate. Yeah, we use a concatenate. And actually I forgot, there is one procedure we need to do that. The first we need to create a file that is used for all the file. So let's get here. Yeah, so you can copy whenever and copy and paste, and as a general combined bin file, you can name it whenever name. Here I just use all bin. Okay, I use all bin, and then in that case we have all the bin file into this all bin file. Okay, so first we click tool and file tool and concatenate. So in that case, ask us which file to concatenate. Of course, we produce a bin file. I believe we need to, not this file, this one. Yep. And my project. Yep. This file, all bin file. Then save. Already exist. Yeah, replace it. Okay. And then you can see right now it is only 0. Okay. And then ask us to append, and then we use start to append. And the first 0 append, and 1 we append. Yeah, I just shut off the speaker. Okay. And 2 append, 3 append, 4 append, 5, 6, 7. Yep. Then with all the 7 file already there, then we click done. Yeah, you can see all the 8 files already concatenated into all bin file. Click OK. Then we will see our file. You can see it is this size. Yeah, that's simple. We already combined all the 8 files.